Okay, we've got the straps in place, the standoff pads to protect the spray rails. Now, it's standard operation that they do not lift the boat with passengers aboard, but what they do have to do is get the boat forward where the travel lift operator is standing. You can see that black foot mat right there. He's going to bring the boat forward and we will crawl off the anchor pulpit onto the foot mat and then walk away. So if he lifts the boat and if there's any problem and the boat drops, nobody will be on board the boat. So that's a good deal. Also, that tractor with the front end loader, he's picking up some blocks on a pallet. Those are different standoff blocks for different sizes of boats and different size spray rails. So you heard the travel lift operator blow the horn and you hear the beep, beep, beep. That means it's moving, and of course you can see we're moving. So this is standard operation for any time the boat is hauled out of the water, for bottom jobs, for maintenance, or for sea trials and surveys when you go to purchase a boat. So you can see here, and fortunately, because they saw we all have gray hair, they're bringing a ladder over for us. So that's really great. We appreciate the ladder. So Derek, how about you first, then we'll hand you my bag second. And by the way, Derek doesn't have gray hair. Okay, so here we go. All right, all ashore that's going ashore. Paul, you want to go next and I'll hand you my bags. So you can either go under the handrail or over the handrail. Grace isn't here today, but it's the safest way to operate the travel lift with the boat. Okay, we want to shut down. See y'all. Bye-bye.